This is 60 business ideas in 60 days. Today, we are talking about starting a meal prep and healthy meal subscription business in the UAE. More people are choosing healthier food, structured diets, and convenient meal solutions. That's why healthy meal subscriptions are much more popular among individuals, fitness communities, and corporate clients. Under this license, you can prepare and package healthy meals, offer daily, weekly, or monthly meal subscriptions, create diet-based plans like keto, vegan, or calorie-controlled meals, operate through a cloud kitchen or centralized kitchen, sell through online platforms and mobile apps, deliver meals using your own team or third-party delivery partners, offer customized meal plans based on lifestyle nutrition. Now, let's talk about where you should set up. If you plan to prepare and deliver food in the UAE, you'll need a Mainland license. This setup lets you sell directly to customers, partner with delivery platforms, and operate from approved commercial kitchens. It's the most practical choice for cloud kitchens and subscription-based meal businesses. Free zones work only if your business is limited to meal planning apps, branding, or marketing, as physical food preparation is generally not allowed in free zones. When you run a meal prep business, everything comes down to food safety and consistency. You need to operate from an approved kitchen and follow local food safety standards at all times. Your team must be trained, certified, and focused on hygiene every single day. You should keep all nutrition claims honest and no medical promises. And you must maintain proper temperature control from the kitchen right through to delivery. Opening a business bank account is usually straightforward, since meal prep businesses are seen as low to medium risk. In most cases, banks will ask you for your trade license, your approved kitchen tenancy documents, and basic shareholder ID details. Here's your game plan. Choose your business activity, reserve your trade name, get initial approval, secure an approved commercial kitchen, obtain food safety and civil defense approvals, get your trade license, apply for your establishment card, process staff visas, open your bank account, complete tax registration, and that's it. Your meal prep and healthy meal subscription business is ready to launch. If this feels like the right move for you, we can help. We've helped more than 25,000 entrepreneurs start businesses in the UAE over the past 10 years. Fill out the form in the description and let's get you started.